Hello my beauties, Joanna here. Welcome to Joanna Health Official, and you're back again for our routine exercise. Yeah, today we are having our beautiful exercise with a lot. Like I told you, we are following one series of our full body workout. Like I told you still, not only fat people do exercise, but also slim people do exercise. Yeah. Reasons as to why you have to do exercise, there are a lot. If you've not seen those beautiful videos, rush out and see those beautiful videos. Let's start our workout for today and watch the video till the end. I love you guys if you have seen this beautiful series and if you're willing to watch the video till the end. I just love you so much. Watch the video then.
Move that body head to toe. Feel the rhythm, feel the flow. Step it up, feel that drive. 2, stronger now, come alive. 3, shoulders back, chest out. 4, push it up, no doubt. 5, power high, we thrive. 6, keep the pace, feel the fix. 7, breathe in, stay tight. 8, move your body right. 9, almost divine. 10, full pot, hit it again. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to work, let's get it done. Fear up below, feel the burn. 9, it's your time, take your turn. 8, move with faith. 7, body strong, pure heaven. 6, feel the mix, energy fix. 5, stay alive, we thrive. 4, down to the core. 3, you and me. 2, almost through. 1, 0, hero, hero. Catch your breath, hydrate, reset. Prone. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go again. Round 2's begun. Let's go again. Let's go again. Round 2's begun. Let's go again. Garrin and ankle down and motivation. Breathe in deep, your body's official. Thanks to Joanna, your health official. You showed up, you gave your best. Now recover, hydrate and rest. From head to toe, strength is real. That's how Joanna makes you feel. 1, step it up, feel that drive. 2, stronger now, come alive. 3, shoulders back, chest out. 4, push it up, no doubt. Right, you're a high, we thrive. 6, keep the pace, feel the fix. 7, breathe in, stay tight. 8, move your body right. 9, almost divine. 10, full power, hit it again. 2, almost through. 1, 0, hero, hero. 1, 0, hero. Step it up, feel that drive. 2, stronger now, come alive. 3, shoulders back, chest out. 4, push it up, no doubt. 5, power high, we thrive. 6, keep the pace, feel the fix. 7, breathe in, stay tight. 8, move your body right. 9, almost divine. 10, full pot, hit it again. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to work, let's get it done. Fear up below, feel the burn. 9, it's your time, take your turn. 8, move with faith. 7, body strong, pure heaven. 6, feel the mix, energy fix. 5, stay alive, we thrive. 4, down to the core. 3, you and me. 2, almost through. 1, 0, hero, Catch your breath, hydrate, reset. From 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go again. Round two's begun. Let's go again. Let's go again. Round two's begun. Let's go again. Garrin and cool down and motivation. Breathe in deep, your body's official. Thanks to Joanna, your health official. You showed up, you gave your best. Now recover, hydrate and rest. From head to toe, strength is real. That's how Joanna makes you feel. 1, step it up, feel that drive. 2, stronger now, come alive. 3, shoulders back, chest.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I love you so much. Stay tuned for Joanna Health Official. Don't forget consistency. In this all workout, it is too much of consistency. I love you so much. I love you. Stay tuned to Joanna Health Official.